Yesterday I explained what is the use of web UI and what is the use of each topic I explained. Today I'll start the first topic of our course. Here we are in web UI under that first topic of our course, that is HTML4. So I'll start here HTML4 today and we'll continue for the next 1 week. We will be in the HTML4. Here HTML, here it is a hypertext markup language. It's a hypertext markup language. It is completely tag-based programming. Here, tag-based programming. In HTML, we always write totally tags. So totally we write it all tags. So what is a tag here? Tag is nothing but it's an instruction to browser. Instruction to browser. We can give instruction to the browser in the form of tags. These tags are divided into, here tags divided into two types. Two types of tags we have. So one is pair tag, second one is unpaired tag. Here one is pair tag, another one is unpaired tag. Here under this pair tag, the syntax we write like this. Here tag name start and close. Here tag name start, tag name close. We write like this. Here example for this tag here. Here we have body tag. We start and we close like this. Here itself we can write it here h1 tag. We start and we close like this. Like this we have some tags. Those all we start and we close like this. Here this one we call it as paired tag. Whenever we start our tag, we have to write ending tag. That we call it as paired tag. So what is here unpaired tag? Generally, if you write unpaired tag, so we write the tag name, we write all attributes of tag, and we'll close the tag there itself. This one we call it as unpaired tag. Example for this here, image tag src. Within that src, we can write all our attributes. Here itself we'll close it. Then we call it as image src. We are writing here. Within that src, we can write our code. So if we write like this, image src, something I'm writing here, within this width and height, we can display our output. Here itself I'm writing here image src. We can write a image to display image. We write image tag. This image tag will display images. This will be the unpaired tag. Here in BR tag we can use, HR tag we can use it. So these all we call it as unpaired tag. We have two types of tags we have. Those all we call it as unpaired tags. Paired tag and unpaired tag. Two types of tags we have. So this is here unpaired tag. 6:30 a.m. Yeah. Here we have two types of tags we have. One is paired tag, another one is unpaired tag. Here paired tag always starts from and we can write starting tag and ending tag. Unpaired tag will close there itself. This is totally about just little information about the tags. So if I want to develop HTML application, you can save one file in Notepad or Edit Plus or Notepad Plus anywhere. You can take one file. Just you can save it with one.html. If you save any file with one.html, so automatically here if you save any file with one.html, so it will be automatically one empty document we can show to the user. Just if you write one empty page, here I am taking one notepad. Just I'll save this file. Control yes. I'm saving this file in 7am HTML4. Here I'll save that file with one.html. Here I'm saving that file with one.html. Just go to the browser. I saved it in 7am batch. Here HTML. Just I'll open that one.html. See here, you can see one empty document. Why? Because here it is empty page. Empty page I saved it with HTML.html. So that's why it is showing that empty document. See if I right click here, inspect element here. If I right click and inspect element here, see here. It is giving some code here. See, it is giving here some code that is head and body. Head and body tag we use it here. Head tag is used for writing header information. Body tag we use it here for writing body content of the application. But observe here, this is HTML head and body tag. Header tag and body tag, we can write it here for displaying the sample. Here what I am doing here, if I write here head tag, see actually I'm not writing any tag here, but even though browser is giving this type of content. So according to W3org, if you save any file with .html, by default browser will give you this code. If you start writing your program, generally we start it with check any website. What is the code here? What is the basic HTML code here? You can observe here elements. See here doc type HTML head and body tag. Here doc type HTML head and body tag. We are writing here. Doc type here, it is a document type, and HTML tag, head tag and body tag we can write it. So by that we can display our output. Just one second. Yes, Rafat, what happened? Yes, Rafat, what happened? Hello.
Hello?
Yes, yes, you are audible now. But I'm not able to see you in online. You are leaving continuously and joining.
I'm due to poor network connection, my sir. I think
Okay.
so.
Okay, fine. Yes. Here, if I create any HTML page, by default, all HTML pages, it follows the code. Here, HTML start and close, head start and close, and body start and close. HTML tag is a root tag. We can write it here, head tag and body tag. We use it here for writing header and body content of the application. Here, by default, if you start writing any HTML page, by default, it has to start with mm, according to W3org, it has to start with doc type. But if you save any .html file, by default it starts from HTML head and body tag. Here we write it here doc type, HTML tag, head tag and body tag we write it. Here doc type in the sense it is a document type. Here HTML tag, head tag and body tag we can write it. Here what type of document I'm using here, that comes under doc type. Here itself we can write it here HTML start and close and head start and close and body start and close. Here doc type, here it is document type. What type of document I'm using here, that comes under doc type. Here HTML is a root tag, head tag we can write, body tag we can write. By that we can show you that header info, whatever JavaScript CSS code we want, we write it in header. Whatever content we want, that we write it inside the body. Here we are writing here doc type, HTML tag, head tag and body tag. Here what we are doing here, it is the doc type, HTML tag, head tag and body tag we can write it. Here head tag is mainly used for writing header information. Any header information we can write it here for displaying our output. Any header information we can show to the user by this header tag. And body tag we can write it here, body content of the application. So here if you are writing any HTML page, we start writing with a doc type. Here doc type HTML. Here we write here HTML start, close of HTML. Why? Because it's a pair tag. Here we can write it here head to start, head to close, and here itself we can write it here body start, body close. Okay. Here under this head tag we can write it here script tag for writing JavaScript code. Here style tag we can write it here for writing CSS code. We can write it here script tag and style tag, we can use it here for writing JavaScript code and the CSS code. we can use it. Yeah, CSS code or a JavaScript code, we can use it here to write this. Here we can write it a JavaScript code or a CSS code, we write it inside the header tag. So now even though if you run your 1.html program, you will get empty output. See, if I refresh it, I can see doc type, HTML tag, header tag, body tag, but there is no content in this. Suppose if I don't write any tag, just I'm writing some content. Okay, some content I'm writing here, some information I'm writing here. See here, total information by default it is showing in the body. Inside the body, I can see this content. This is because of body tag. Here we are able to show, because of body tag, we are able to show content in the application. By default, if you don't write, browser will write the content inside the body. Inside the head, we usually write it script tag and style tag. Script tag and style tag both are used for writing CSS and JavaScript code. Okay, here next we'll move to the another one here. JavaScript code and CSS code, all we write it here. It is doc type HTML. Here we can write it here, header tag and body tag, we write it here for writing header information and body content of the application. Here by default we have to save our document. Any HTML page, we start with doc type, HTML tag, header tag and body tag. Inside the body tag, what we can write it. See, HTML tag is the pair tag, header tag is a pair tag, body tag is a pair tag. But this doc type is a special tag. It gives the instruction to the browser what type of document you are writing here. So doc type generally gives the information to the browser we are writing HTML document. Doc type is used for writing HTML document. Doc type is mainly used for writing the document type of HTML. HTML document we are writing here, that comes under doc type. Here it is HTML tag, header tag and body tag. Here I'm writing here doc type, HTML tag, header tag and body tag we are writing here. So in this time, doc type here, doc, it gives the instruction. Tag is nothing but instruction. So it is giving instruction to the browser. We are writing a HTML document. Observe every page, Facebook page, Twitter page, Amazon page, any page if you observe it, always it start with the doc type, HTML, head and body. This is the basic structure for every HTML application. So inside the body tag, we can write some tags. You can see here in this training, here you can see that div tag, div container, footer, header. So under this container, header, anchor tag, div tag. Here like this, you can write all these tags. We are going to learn all these tags. UL tag. Here under this, we are writing here one more div tag slider. Here it is one div tag. Here it is anchor tag. Like this, we can write it here all tags. Here is my div tag, UL tag we are writing here. So with that we can display all our output. Here we are writing here div tag, input ID, text, button, radio button, something we can write it. Here with that we can display our output. Here we are writing here input type, IDs. So by using these all IDs here, H1 tag, H2 tag, H3 tag. So we are going to learn one by one what all the tags are required. Here what all the tags are required, these all tags I'm going to explain in our session. Okay, here we are what all tags we can write it inside the HTML body tag. Here we start with the doc type. Here it is HTML, HTML start, HTML close. Under this we can write it here head start, head close, and here itself we can write it here body tag start, body tag close. Under this body tag, as of now we observed so many tags now, so we'll learn one by one all the tags in the HTML. Okay, here Monday onwards I'll continue what all the tags comes under this body tag. I'll explain to you. Here today some two students joined and a continuous network issue, they are getting all continuous network issue. I'm not able to see anyone in this online. Here I'm only in this link, I'm only one in this link. Okay, what happened to you? I don't know. This link is giving some problem for you, or is any network issue? I don't know. but we'll continue Monday. What will comes under HTML body tag, what all the tags we can write it inside the HTML body tag, I'll continue on Monday. Monday onwards our class starts at 7 a.m. 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and it will be different link. You contact organizer to get that link to join in the class. Okay, I'm not able to see anyone here. Are you there, Rafat? Rafat, are you there? Okay, fine. We'll leave the session. We'll meet on Monday.